Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your QR code on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main screen where all your conversations are displayed. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and tap on it to access your profile settings. After tapping your profile icon, you'll be taken to a new screen with various options. At the top of this screen, tap on your profile name. This will take you deeper into your profile settings, where you can manage your personal information and privacy options. Next, tap on username. This is where Signal allows you to create a unique identifier that others can use to find you without sharing your phone number. Now, here's an important point to understand. You actually need to create a username in order to generate a QR code. If you already have a username set up, you'll be able to find your QR code directly under your username. However, if you haven't created one yet, you'll need to do that first. To create your username, tap the text field at the top and enter your desired username. Signal will automatically add some numbers after your username for uniqueness. If you want to customize these numbers, you can delete the auto-generated ones and enter your own two numbers right beside your username. This helps make your username more memorable while still keeping it unique on the platform. Once you're happy with your username, tap Save in the bottom right corner. This will save your new username and make it active on your account. Give it a moment to process and save your changes. Now, below your username, you'll see an option that says QR code or link. Tap on it and your personal Signal QR code will appear on your screen. This QR code is a quick and easy way for people to add you on Signal without typing anything. From here, you can share your QR code with others by tapping the Share button. This will bring up your device's sharing menu where you can select from various platforms installed on your mobile, such as QuickShare, Messages, Gmail, or any other app you have available. Simply choose the platform you want to use and send your QR code to whoever you'd like to connect with on Signal. And that's it, you've successfully found and can now share your Signal QR code. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.